What's going on, guys? It's Suk and I am back with a brand new video on SuperDuprTech. And in today's video I'm going to be unboxing the 2019 21.5 inch 4K Retina iMac with i3 processor. As always, I will be reviewing this machine along with showing what results I got when benchmarking it and what it's like to play games on this particular iMac. But without any further ado, let's hit the titles. So first things first, let's get into talking about the pricing of this particular model I have here. So here in the UK, it will set you back around £1,249, and if you are in America, it will set you back around $1,299. If you are based anywhere within Europe, then this iMac will set you back closer to €1,499. The unboxing experience is the same as it was back in 2012, with the iMac surrounded by more polystyrene to protect it from knocks and bumps while the desktop machine is being shipped. Found within the top layer of this packaging is the included accessories. Now these consist of a Magic Keyboard and the Magic Mouse. Along with the iMac needing a redesign, so are the accessories. These accessories were redesigned way back in 2015, and I do believe Apple will be updating them at some point very soon. Here's to hoping that when they do, that they move away from Lightning and move towards USB-C. No surprise here, there is also a USB-A to Lightning cable. Now this cable can actually be used to charge up iPads and iPhones or accessories such as AirPods along with the keyboard and mouse. This also has an approximate length of 1 meter. Next up is the Designed by Apple documentation envelope, which consists of a quick start and setup guide which will walk you through how to get the machine up and running. There are also details on your 1-year limited Apple warranty along with some health and safety information, and included with iMacs is a microfiber cleaning cloth to clean the display. There is also 2 white Apple stickers, but you already knew that. Moving our attention back to the start of the show, the iMac is still in its packaging and wrapped to ensure that nothing marks the surface of the machine or its display. Once again, in its polystyrene packaging, the power cable is found, which has an approximate length of around 1.8 meters. So that has been it for today's video. If you enjoyed the video, then be sure to hit the like button, and if you are new around here, then why not subscribe and click the bell icon to be notified of when I upload any new videos. If you have got any questions with anything you've seen in this video, then be sure to leave them down below in the comment section, or alternatively you can hit me up on my social media. Also in the description section, you'll find links to any of the equipment that I used to record this video along with the iMac itself. Once again, thank you guys very much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Have a good one.